Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no internet connection error on the Spotify application. So let's get started right away. If you're opening up the Spotify application and trying to use it, but you get an error message telling you that there is no internet connection, then the first thing that you will need to check is to make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi or data network. Just check your connection, and if you are connected, open up any other application that also uses the internet and see if this application is working just fine. If this application is running smoothly, then your internet connection is good to go. So this means that this is either an error from the Spotify server or you haven't updated to the latest version. So open up the Play Store or the iOS App Store and then tap on the search box and type in Spotify and start your search. Once you find the Spotify application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on update to install the latest updates. After waiting for a while, the updates will be installed and you will see the open button once again. Tap on this and see if your issue is now fixed. If this still doesn't work, then from the application page for iOS App Store or Google Play Store, you can find the app support option. Tap on the drop-down menu and then tap on the email address to directly send a support email to the Spotify team. Now within the subject section, you can type in connection issues, and within the main body you can simply explain that your internet connection is working just fine and you are using the latest Spotify update, but still you are getting an error telling you no internet connection. You can then tap on the send button, and once your email has been sent to the support team, you will get a response within a few days, and by following the instructions within, you will be able to solve your issue. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to fix the no internet connection issues on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.